How did I get started with needle felting? About 10 years ago, I watched someone needle felting at a craft show and was fascinated. When I got home, I searched for more information, but there weren't many resources available. Fast forward to January of 2020. I saw a needle felted creation in a Facebook group, asked where the supplies came from, and ordered a beginner kit that same day. I was hooked. I spent hours making little animals, learning as I went. They took forever, but I loved the process. I even sold them for just enough to buy more wool so I could keep creating. A couple of years later, my local library asked me to teach a beginner class. That's when I discovered I love teaching just as much as creating. My students encouraged me to start YouTube tutorials, and before I knew it, I was designing my own patterns, creating tutorials, and building an amazing community of fellow felters. It's incredible to think that one little beginner kit led me to where I am today.